In today's video, I am going to show you how you can recover your Facebook account without the email address and phone number. Therefore, without wasting any of your time, let's jump to the video. So if you have lost access to your Facebook account and you don't have the phone or email address as well, then what you have to do is to open your internet browser and in the search bar type my Facebook account has been hacked. Click on this first link, then click on get started. Now you will be required to answer a few questions, so scroll down, click on the first option that says someone else gained access to my account. Scroll down again and then select no, I can't log in. Once again scroll down and click on the option no, I don't have access to the phone number or email address. Now scroll down for one last time and click on this link facebook.com/login/identify. Okay, as you can see that it's asking for your mobile number, but what you have to do is to click on this option that says search by your email address or name instead. Now here enter your full Facebook name. After that click on search. Now search for your account in this list and then click on it. Click on try another way. Then click on no longer have access to these. Click on start and then click on this upload ID option. Enter your full name again. After this, you need to provide some sort of identification to Facebook. You can use your passport, driving license, or your identification card. So click on this choose file option and upload a photo of your identification. Once you have done that, scroll down and click on send. Once you click on send, within the next 48 hours, your Facebook account will be recovered without your email address and phone number. So that was it for this video and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.